So there are some new updates available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out those updates, and let's start off with the first update, that is the security patch update of the January 2025. For that you will have to simply tap on your settings, and from here you have to tap on software update, then you have to tap on download and install. So this new update is available of the security patch January 1st 2025 that you can download on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now moving on to the next update, so that update is available in the Galaxy Store. You will have to tap on this menu option, then this updates option. So there are multiple new updates available of different apps that you can update directly from here. One of the major updates in these apps is the Good Lock application. Now after updating the Good Lock application, you will get a refreshed UI design of the Good Lock application with more detailed categories, and different new features are now available with this Good Lock application. You can update it directly from here by simply tapping on this icon on the right side. So the Good Lock application has received a 24.52 MBs of update. You can update it directly from here, or you can update all the applications as well by simply tapping on update all option. As you can see, there is this update all option from which you can update all the applications at once. As you can see, now all the applications are updating. And now let's check out the Good Lock application. So when you will tap on the Good Lock application, so it has a new animation. Also you will have to agree to the terms and conditions to continue the Good Lock application. For that you will have to tap on agree and continue, and as you can see, the Good Lock application has a new UI design. So this new UI design is giving a fresh look to your Good Lock application. Also now there are different categories available like extensions, clock, life up and makeup, which will make the Good Lock application user experience more efficient. So these were the new updates that were available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys can check out. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates. Also let me know in the comment section that have you received these updates on your device or not yet.